All right. This is In the Loop with COOP. Okay, so this week we're going to talk about red flags in the option period. During an inspection. So, say you're inspecting a house. Do you know what inspecting means? Inspection. What do you think that means? Like Inspector Gadget going through with a magnifying glass looking at a house? Well, it is kind of like that. So you hire an inspector and they are a general inspector. So they're going through and they're visually inspecting everything. There are a few things that they use gadgets for to look for, but if they see anything of concern, then they will recommend to you to have an electrician, a professional licensed electrician, come look at it, or if there's something with the roof. So basically they've got a general view of what's going on, and then they're going to recommend that you have someone come out and look further into it. And it's always a good idea to go ahead and hire that extra person to come look, because it could be something small, but it could also be something huge that needs further evaluating of. And then after that, then you can start negotiating either repairs or a credit for those repairs so that you can take care of it after closing. What do you think about that? You think it'd be cool to be an Inspector Gadget and go through the house with a magnifying glass? No? You don't think so? That wouldn't be fun? What do you think would be fun?
Breaking the house down.
Breaking the house down. That sounds like Chip Gaines demo day. Hope you don't lose any more teeth doing that.
Yeah.
So yeah, inspection red flags. So when you have your inspection, you really want to look at the major things that make the house livable. You want to make sure that the foundation's good, the roof is good, the electrical's good, the plumbing is good. The main things that could keep the house from being livable. So also big red flags when you look through is mold. You want to look for mold and then figure out what the source of that mold is, because it could be something bigger. But yeah, those are some red flags during a home inspection.